My Husqvarna YTH series lawn tractor won't turn over. No rough starts prior to this at all. Battery good, charged it all last night to be sure, fuse is good, all wiring looks fine, can you please help? Thanks. SJB.
Do you get a click from the fuel solenoid on the carburetor when you turn key on and off? No click would mean there is no voltage to the key switch. If it does click, likely you have a safety switch problem, either the seat switch or the brake/neutral switch.
No click at all. All connections under the seat are clean and seem to be making connection just fine.
No click at all. No voltage from the fuse holder. Do you have a voltmeter or test light to see if there is voltage past the fuse to the key switch?
I can go track down my voltage meter. I'll need to know exactly where you need me to probe. By the way, the hour gauge will read when I turn the ignition switch. For what it's worth.
Okay.
It looks to be about 12 V.
Does it change when the key is turned on and turned to start?
The voltage goes down to about 4 or 5 when cranking the ignition.
Your battery is bad.
12 volts isn't enough to start.
It goes down to 4 or 5 volts, which will not start engine. How old is the battery?
2 years old. It just seems like in the past, I've had slower cranks before the battery died.
With the voltage dropping below 6 volts, and it should never drop below 8 volts when engine is actually cranking, either battery is bad, or dead, or cables are bad.
Well, I guess I'm off to town to get a new battery. I'll leave this thread open if you like, and let you know the results as soon as I put it in.
Yes, that would be great.
Well, the tractor started right up with the new battery. I really thought that charging the old battery all night would at least give me a few cranks, but it must have really been terminal, pardon the pun. Thanks for your help, sir.
Good job. Please rate to close and get me credit. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.